Time right now is 4:43. It appears to be the only chance for Democrats to pick up a House seat in Indiana.
The 9th District race is starting to get some national attention as freshman Republican Congressman Trey Hollingsworth faces a challenge from first-time candidate Liz Watson. Now Hollingsworth is out with a commercial taking aim at Watson. Ray Steele is breaking down the ad and doing some fact-checking.
We're looking at a commercial in the race for the 9th Congressional District seat. The 9th District runs from Johnson County down to the state line, everything from Greenwood to Georgetown. This is the first commercial from Republican Congressman Trey Hollingsworth. It takes aim at Democratic challenger Liz Watson. Remember our truthfulness scale. A 6 means the commercial is 100% true. If the commercial gets a 0, that means
silly. Right, get on with it.
Liberal lobbyist Liz Watson spent a decade in Washington.
We did not get a response from the Hollingsworth campaign on the reason for the alliterative nickname, which seems to be a thing in politics now.
Tennessee Trey Hollingsworth.
Cocaine mitt.
As for the claim that Watson spent a decade in Washington, well, that's true. She went to law school there. She worked for several groups that tried to help the underprivileged and was labor policy director for congressional Democrats.
She'd raise taxes, open our borders, take over your health care.
This is where the commercial gets murky. The Hollingsworth campaign is talking about Watson's positions listed on her website, but there is nothing on the website's issues page about taxes. Open borders is a euphemism some Republicans use for immigration reform, and taking over health care presumably is a reference to Watson's support for the Medicare for All concept. Liz Watson's campaign manager had a lot to say about the commercial, most notably, quote, "Everything Trey said was a lie. We will not go quite that far. The ad did get the decade in Washington part right, and Watson did lobby, though lobbying isn't necessarily a bad thing." After that, though, this commercial is a lot of catchphrases and not a lot of context. We'll give it a 2 out of 6. It's mostly not true. On our next fact check, we'll give a rating to this commercial from Liz Watson, where she claims that Representative Hollingsworth is cashing in. So get your money right and join us for that report tonight on the news at 7. Ray Steele, RTV6.